So, hi guys, good morning. It's weekend today, so kaya nakapagawa ako ng video demo ng isa na namang template na i-release ko sa website. And also, this will be posted on TikTok. So, gumawa nga pala ako ng Gantt chart. So, for you to able to track your project uh, timeline. So, here's how this template works. So we have here a project name. This is editable, so you can change this uh, part. Like in this example, I use website launch plan. So you can simply delete that and edit. So I just retype what I have previously had here. So website launch plan. So the project manager who will be the manager managing the projects. So let's say this is also editable, so you can delete, simply delete and edit. So client or company name. So this is also editable, so you can simply delete and edit. So this time I will change the company name. So the previous one is ABCD, so I'll just make it CDE Corporation. So for you to see that it can be changed. Corporation. So in this area or the start date, this is also can be changed. So you can either type the date, let's say 7/1/2025, or the other way around is you can simply double click and select the date. Yeah, yes. You can simply double click and select the start date. Okay, so we're going to the exciting part of this template. So on the internet, we only see the template that is manual. So what do I mean with manual is you can I mean the shading or the coloring of the cells is manual. I mean, you can simply select the cell and then select the color. Yeah, like that. So this template is automatic. So you just have to enter the details needed, like the start and the end date, and then check back if it is already completed, and then select the assigned to. I have also a different sheet here. Wait, I have also a different sheet here like this one. The assigned to sheet. I have here the list. You can you can add, update, delete, or edit this area, this one, the bordered lines. So we're going back to the Gantt chart sheet. Wait guys for a while. Avenue, yeah. Excuse me lang guys ah. Okay. Going back to the Gantt chart, I have here list of assigned member where you can customize. You can simply edit this, delete or add, and that list will be automatically populated here to the assigned to team. So let's say Anna, Ben, Carla, Dan, Ella is present on the list. So let's say if I'm going to add another member, let's say Lawrence, Lawrence will also be visible on the list. So let's say Ben, I will change this to Lawrence. So yeah, that's how this template works. So I'll be going back into Ben. Excuse me. Sorry for the cough. So this task ID, you can edit this task ID, and then you can edit this task. This is the category and this is the subcategory. Category, subcategory, category, subcategory, so on and so forth. So you can simply delete this and edit. Yeah, and this will and the shaded part here will be gone because this is empty, so it should not be. So let's say I'm going to planning. Yeah. So this area is already shaded, um, meaning this is already completed because this is 100% here. So if I'm going to uncheck this, this is 50%. If I'm going to uncheck this is 0% completed, and this color will be turned to red. And if this is 50%, this will be turned to yellow, indicating that this is ongoing. No po. Excuse me, guys. No po. Since it's a general po. Dahil hindi po usually yung payment terms. That's why I make it. Yes po. So let's sorry guys for the interruption. So going back, I will be focusing on the first category since this is also same with the other category. So let's say this part guys is automatically has indentation like uh, see it guys, marketing research. So yeah, this is already indented. Okay, so yellow means ongoing, green means completed, and red means not yet done or 0%. Or I mean not yet started. So let's say this one will be turned to red, and then if this is 50% yellow, and if it is completed, then it will turn to green. So yeah, this is also the same and automatic. So if I'm going to delete this, shade part also deleted, deleted. So see, it's all automatic. So I will be restoring it back. So yeah. Also, the date here is if I'm going to delete this, the date also deleted. Yeah, I will delete this part. Yeah, because yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. If whatever date you enter here will be the date, whatever date you enter here, this is also um, the date. I sorry. This is also the date that will be reflected here, indicating that it is the start date. Okay. Also, if this is all empty, this header at the top, the date, and the days here is also automatic. Okay, so let's see it in action. Let's say I will put it in June 1. So see June 1 to June 4, and the days is also changed. Wait guys, sorry for the interruption. I have some practice. And also the shade here is gone because it only relies here on this date. Okay, so I will change it back to July 1 so that the shade will be restored or will be back. Okay, okay, yeah. That's how the template works. So if you want this template, guys, you can simply go to my website, LorenceLaudenioDigital.com. Simply search on the search bar Gantt chart and it will be returned to result. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you guys on my next video soon.